Hi, today I'm with me DOOGEE T20 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. To log out from Gmail application from Gmail account, we should first log out from Google account on our device. To do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click remove account. Then confirm your action by tap to remove account button, then just tap to OK, confirm your action by enter your protect method if you use some. Now in Google account settings we just successfully log out from Gmail account, so let's go back to the application and now we can see that in app we also successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.